One other thing, when I first started, what I have noticed was here, as you can see, the microsiemens centimeter, the conductance here, the conductivity is very high. It's 300, more than 300, 377, as you can see. And look at the shape. And this is just it's supposed to be just the milky water. I have done several injections of the milky water, and it's always given the same thing, high. So I didn't know what the problem was. I changed the water. I did those maintenance which I've mentioned, like changing the inline filter, the tubings, the guard column, the separation column, all of those maintenance. It took me quite a while, although that I did not have a extensive experience with the IC, but it took me about 3 weeks to get this solved. So if we go up here now, you can see now my milky water. If I click on that, here the conductance is very low now, it's 1.7. Let's go for bromide here. I have I've done some injections, individual standards, which I will send you the chromatograms. I will send you the before our next meeting. As you can see, this is bromide. That's bromide. Maybe it's not clear on the screen when I'm recording it, but it's bromide at 15.96. Here, next one down is fluoride. Fluoride at 5 minutes, 0.87. Then sulfate. So I was doing individual injections of the standards just to see the retention times. So this was a previous run which was run, and in between them I was injecting water, milky water, to see that maybe here we are getting contamination, so maybe there is a contamination carrying over, to clean it. But it seems like if I let's say if I zoom this in, if I zoom that in, it's very little compared to our peak here. This is the sulfate, okay, and these are the little blips here. The results is shown here on the table. For sulfate, the height is 3.6, and it says nitrate 0.032, chloride 0.013, and fluoride 0.006. So if you compare that to this, it's nothing, but it says there is something there, so maybe there is a contamination. So it looks like it's not carrying over, because in between them there is water, and in the water there is nothing there. It's empty. It's not identifying. But I think there's a contamination in the standards. Today I am running mixed standards. Okay. Let's go here. Today I'm running mixed standards, so we will see what we get with our results. Now it's running the blank for half an hour, then next will be mixed standards. Once I get this as well, I will send the results.